for the nation. Oh, yeah, yes, we'll not go on. So, another day, another headline. Another soldier on the front line. Kids are hungry and daddy well poor. And every day another scholar war. So we're living in a broken world now. So please let your voice be heard now. And let this echo deep down in your soul. We deserve more. We deserve more. So this heavy load, this weight we can't carry no more. And the rockiest road, most high we calling, because the people are bawling. So in our prayer this morning, help us overcome this struggle they again. So they beg us to stay, then turn away. A blind eye, that's the price we pay. Let's all repatriate and then just sail away. My people come along, so this heavy load, this weight we can't carry no more. This heavy load, through the toughest and the rockiest road, most high we calling, because the people are bawling. So in our prayer this morning, help us overcome this struggle they again. Famine is on the rise, oh please don't be surprised. Many are losing life just for a pound of rice. Remember, follow our likes, can't give you breath of life. Hearts are willing and swords are yagi. So this heavy load, this weight we can't carry no more. This heavy load, and the rockiest road, most high we calling, because the people are bawling. And in our prayer this morning, we ask to overcome